Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Drive and Google AI Studio. And in today's video, I will show you on how to delete or remove Google AI Studio chat history from your Google Drive without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Chrome browser. After you open up your Chrome browser, make sure you log into your Chrome browser. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on Google Apps. Then scroll down right here and make sure you go ahead and navigate to Google Drive right here. So having click on Drive, it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do, then from the Home tab right here, when you are doing it on PC, you can easily have access to your Google AI Studio in Drive folder right here. If you cannot find it from the top right here, go ahead and go to my Drive right here. Go ahead, open up my Drive, then you have your Google AI Studio. So click on it and it's going to load up just like so. Then you have every details about your Google AI Studio chat right here. Some of these files here are consume a lot of storage space on our Google, and as a result of that, we might be out of storage at any point in time. So for you to delete them, what you need to do right here is to go ahead and select on the file. You can press Ctrl key down and select as many as possible chat history that you want to delete. You can see, just press Ctrl key down. This will allow you to select as many as possible file in your Google AI Studio. Once you are done with everything, I was able to select about 14 different file folder right here. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on this particular trash icon right here. Go ahead and click on that, and then successfully items have been cleared from this folder. So if we go back to our home page right here, then we still have the folder right here. If I click on the folder right here and I decide to open the folder, you find out that nothing is there again. If I come to the sidebar right here, I click on the folder right here, you find out that nothing is there again. And for you to permanently delete it, what you need to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to your bin right here. So go ahead and click on bin, then you find everything right here again in your bin. So what you need to do right here for permanently deletion, select on it, then press Ctrl key down and select the rest of the file right here. So continue to press down Ctrl key, and then this allow you to select as many as possible file that you want to permanently delete in order to free up storage in your Google. Having select everything, so we still have about 14 files right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this particular trash bin, which simply indicates delete forever. Go ahead and click on that. This is going to pop up, and go ahead and click on delete forever. And every file in your Google AI Studio will be completely deleted without any stress. So if I come to the top right here, I press Ctrl Alt just to reload, and then you find out that the bin is already empty. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Google Drive on PC, consider subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.